What is up, guys? Back with another unboxing. Just gonna go ahead and get into it. So every side's got an address on it this time. Hopefully, you guys won't be able to see that. Okay, it's one of those Mighty Mug. Well, it's a Mighty Mug ripoff, actually. Of course, got it on eBay. And the Mighty Mug's like $50. This is like 15 or so. And it's just one of those cups that you supposedly can't knock over because of this suction cup on the bottom of it. I don't know if you guys can see this right here. But yeah, it works. Of course, I got the black cup. Yeah, can't knock it over. Smacking pretty hard, actually. And you can just pick it straight up. You can hang it off the mirror. No way, dude. Yeah, so it'll actually hang off a mirror. You can like set it on top of your car and forget it, and then maybe actually come back and it'll still be there, or pull up to where you were going, and it actually still be where you put it. It's pretty cool. It's 500 milliliters. I don't know the metric system, so that's a foreign measurement to me. But of course, it smells funky as hell. Always wash any cup you get before you use it. Yeah, dude, that's freaking awesome. Hopefully, you guys can see that. I'll try to move this camera, and if it messes up, it's just what happens with this thing. Okay, you guys should be able to see it now. Just that's really cool, man. That's like perfect for my desk. I usually keep like a coffee cup on the edge over here, and it still freaks me out all the time. It's got a lot of expensive equipment over here. That's just too cool. And of course, if it had a drink in it, it would be probably too heavy to do that. You saw it just fell off. This is not the cleanest mirror of all time, so. But yeah, let me go wash it, throw some liquid in it, and see if it still, performs the same. Hopefully the audio came in. I forgot to do my test. Always do a sound check, folks. Hopefully it'll work. Alright, I'm back. I got some ice water in it. Just gonna do the stick it to the mirror test. Still has enough suction to stick to the mirror. Just to just let you guys know, show you how hard I'm smacking it. That's the equivalent. I don't want to hit any harder because it's on a glass desk. But as you can see, the suction cup technology works pretty good. Only thing I gotta say, when I was drinking out of it, the mouth seems a bit small. And it barely pours liquid out. Actually, when it's full, you could barely get any drink out of it. That's one thing I didn't like. Made by whatever this company is. It's probably gonna give me cancer because it's a Chinese product. But yeah, that's it. if that's the same technology as the Mighty Mug, I would suggest probably getting the Mighty Mug. I just saw it, want to try it out, see actually how smack proof it is. I'll actually probably use it without the lid because the lid restricts the fluid, the flow of the fluid, and that's what a cup needs to do, is give you your fluids. So, like I said, I'll probably just drink coffee or something out of it without the lid. But you know, that's me, that's my personal shit to get through. Excuse me. But yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Sorry for the language. I'm trying to keep this as family friendly as possible. Maybe I'll bleep that out. You guys will know because you've watched it by now. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked it, smash that like button, comment, subscribe. You know, like I always say, thanks for watching, and as always, peace out.